Hi there, Julie Rowlands here. Thank you for watching this short little video all about how to use your essential oils aromatically. Okay, look, there's a couple of ways that you can do that. It's super simple, so let's get started. The first way, sniff from the bottle. Okay, easy peasy. Basically, sniff from the bottle, you get the beautiful benefits straight from the bottle. The other way that you can use these oils just aromatically is pop a drop in your hands like that, rub your hands together and inhale the aroma. Simple, easy and quick. The other way that you're going to want to try to use your essential oils is through a diffuser. You're using an ultrasonic diffuser. Okay, what it does is it creates this little fine ultrasonic mist, and so that the components of the oil are diffused into the air. They're pretty simple to use. If you check inside, there's a little red dot. All that is the level that you fill the diffuser with, just straight water and a few drops of oil. Some of them have different light setting, timing settings, and some of them have pretty lights and stuff like that. So this one, for example, you can have the light on or off and it will go for 2 hours, 5 hours or 10 hours. All right, so and it switches itself off, so there's no problem. You can just set it and leave it. So those are the most popular ways of using your oils aromatically. Quick, easy and very simple. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.